Water fig trees provide perfect nesting for an astonishing variety of fish-eating birds. For these families, it's not so much about where you build, it's what you build. Only the finest construction materials will do. If you can't find the exact fabric you're looking for, just steal it from your neighbor. They can always steal it back again. Finally, a nest ready to hold their most treasured possessions. By September, the temperatures rise and water levels begin to drop, leaving shrinking pools crowded with fish. Perfect timing. The adults get to work. Everyone has their own special technique to go with their own special bill. Pelicans favor the fishing net. Pied kingfishers use the dive bombing system. Open-bill storks have snail plucking down to a science. And the rather theatrical black egret uses its cape to mimic shady spots where fish like to hide. Bravo. To build up their chick's strength as quickly as possible. The stronger your young, the greater their chances of survival.